Hi friends, this is my 60th week taking Mounjaro, and today I'm going to give myself my Mounjaro shot. I usually say live. I usually do a Mounjaro Monday live.
And it is right now, and you are taking it.
I am alive, and I am taking it. And it is Monday, so happy Mounjaro Monday. But usually I do this shot live on Monday evenings, and I do a live question and answer. But right now I am traveling in my van that on the outside is a passenger van, and on the inside it is an RV. And we are traveling, and we've been at a whole bunch of campsites lately, and I don't have really good internet here. So instead of doing another live where I'm coming in and out and I'm a little blurry, I thought I'd just have Jeff tape me really quick, giving myself my shot and sharing with you a little bit about traveling while you're taking Mounjaro or Zepbound. Good news about Mounjaro, it can be room temperature for 21 days. So if you are going on an airplane, or if you're traveling in your car, you could maybe stick it in a cooler. I'm very fortunate that in my van, I do have a refrigerator. And so I'm able to keep my Mounjaro shot in the refrigerator. I don't know how much weight I've lost because I've not stepped on the scale in a couple of weeks. But a couple of weeks ago, when I left on this trip, I was down 40 pounds. And I'm hoping I've kept that 40 pounds off. I'm trying really hard to vacation without gaining weight. If I lose a pound or two, that'll be awesome. But if I don't, and I at least maintain my weight without gaining any weight, that's a big win too. And to help with this, I've done a couple of things. One of my biggest tips, if you like, especially if you like to RV camp or tent camp, if you get a Planet Fitness membership and you get their black level membership,
Black card.
Black card, is that what they call it?
Yes.
Their black card membership, that's 25, or I don't know, and maybe 10 years from now, if you're watching this video, the price will have gone up. But in 2025, it's only $25 a month.
Per person?
Actually, that's even better. So Jeff and I are traveling together, but the way that Planet Fitness works, in 2025 anyway, if you want to bring one guest per visit, you can bring that guest for free. So Jeff is always my guest, so I only have to have one Planet Fitness membership. I bring Jeff along, and we can work out at Planet Fitness, and we can also get a really nice long hot shower at Planet Fitness, which is great when you're camping.
Doesn't the water run out?
No, I know. We can take a shower in our Embassy RV, but
it only holds so much water.
Hold a lot of water.
So you don't want to use all of it up in one shower.
Yeah, exactly. So what I like to do instead is I use the water for washing my hands and brushing my teeth and washing dishes, but that's it. So I prefer taking showers at Planet Fitness, and it's awesome. And it's also giving me an opportunity to work out and lift weights and that kind of thing while traveling.
Or use the treadmill.
Like
I do.
Yeah. And I've been trying to do a lot of walks and hikes while traveling too, and it's just been so much fun. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and give myself my shot.
I have a question.
Oh, okay. What's your question, Jeff?
Where are you going to take your shot?
You know what? I think I'm going to do my arm today. I haven't done my arm in a while. So I am going to do my arm. I asked my pharmacist at Costco. If there's a special place on the back side of my arm to give it. And my pharmacist said, as long as I'm getting the fat in my arm, and my arms have a lot of fat. So, and the fat of my arm hangs mostly here. As long as I get it on the fat of my upper arm, this part here, if I'm getting it on the fat, it's fine. Because the thing is, I need to inject into the fat. And so.
Will it hurt?
Not bad. Not bad. I will say I have lipedema. And so my arms, it's a connective tissue disease and a fatty connective tissue disease where I have little bumps and nodules. If I hit one of my nodules, sometimes it does sting a little bit. But if I don't, then it doesn't hurt at all. So it kind of depends. Another thing that helps, another great tip, is to have your shot out of the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before you give it to yourself. And then it's not cold and the needle won't be super cold. And it really makes it so much nicer. You're less likely to have a sting. First thing I did, I took off the gray cap. I've now turned this on. Did the little twist so it's unlocked.
Hold still. So the little green lock lines up with the green line.
Yep.
Okay.
And next. Okay. I think I cleaned myself right about here. Seems to be pretty clean. It's very fat right here. And that's where I'm going to click. Push it. Did you hear that second click?
I heard both clicks.
Yep. That second click lets you know that it has been injected. And you know what? That didn't hurt at all. I didn't even feel it. I wouldn't even know if the medicine truly went in if I didn't see there's a gray plunger right here. Instead of right here before I did this, there was liquid. And if I went like this, I could see a little air bubble in the liquid. But there is no more liquid in there. Instead, there's just a gray plunger. And that's how I know it went in. But it didn't hurt at all. I didn't see anything or didn't feel anything. No hurt. And it didn't really bleed, I don't think. Did it bleed? You see a little... Sometimes I can see a red dot and sometimes I don't get a red dot. And when I don't get a red dot and I don't feel it, I think, oh my gosh, did I not really give myself the shot?
If you get a green dot, it means you can go.
He's teasing. Okay. But if you do get the gray plunger right there, the medicine's gone. It went somewhere. It didn't drip on my leg or anything or on my arm. Where did it go? I don't know. It evidently went into my arm, but I totally couldn't feel that. So I'm really excited about that. So that was easy peasy. And side effects. For me, my only side effect that I get is constipation, but I stay ahead of it. And I spoke with my doctor, and for me and the medications I take, I am able to take 1 dose of Miralax every day and drink plenty of water. And then I'm guaranteed to move my packages out. So I don't have constipation as long as I stay ahead of it. You can ask your doctor too, or your pharmacist, and talk to your pharmacist about the medications that you are taking and ask if you can take Miralax every day. And a lot of us can, and that's really helpful. But Miralax only works if you drink plenty of water. So if you've tried Miralax and it hasn't done the trick for you, you're not drinking enough water. For me, if I do not poop first thing in the morning after taking some Miralax and a tall glass of water in the evening, if I haven't pooped by noon the next day, I'll drink 32 ounces of water. And when I drink, if I'm going to chug 32 ounces of water, I don't put ice in it. I have it be cold, but not ice cold. And then I'm able to drink it pretty fast. And when I do that, I am guaranteed within less than 2 hours, I will poop. So that is my advice on also handling constipation issues. And that's it. It just helps me with my food noise. And I still get hungry at regular dinner times, but I'm not ravenous, which is so helpful. And it also helps me to not be thinking about food all the time. So it kind of slows down that food noise. So that's been really helpful too. I'm not sure when I'll be done traveling, so I might be doing a few more like this, or I might, when I have really good Wi-Fi, I'll do a question and answer session, and I'll be able to do that live. But if anyone has any questions, please put it in the comments below, and whenever I'm having better internet while I'm traveling, I promise to respond to everybody's questions. And for my Anchor Moments community out there, a lot of us on my Mounjaro Monday lives just love Barb, who's she has her own YouTube channel called Health at Any Cost, and she has a wonderful blog at healthatanycost.com. And she had a surgery today, and she reached out to me, and her surgery turned out wonderful. She is fine, and I'm going to be visiting her later this week and taking her out to dinner and giving her a big hug from everybody in our Anchor Moments community. Okay, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to Anchor Moments and giving
Don't
the video
consider
a like.
it. Just subscribe.
Just do it. Yeah. Oh, and if you like travel videos, our second YouTube channel is Anchor Moments RV, and we'll be doing a lot of travel videos and tips and tricks for RVing. And I have a lot of wonderful people I met at an Embassy RV meetup, and some of them are going to be sharing some really inspiring stories. So that'll be coming up as well. So check out our other channel, Anchor Moments RV. And today we're 17 subscribers away for hitting our goal to having at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, check it out and watch some videos. Our mission is to feed your body, mind, and spirit, just like on this channel too. All right, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and have a great day. Bye-bye.